Blackhead Remover Vacuum, Julien Facial Pore Cleanser Electric Acne Comedone Extractor Kit USB Rechargeable Blackhead Suction Tool with LED display for facial skin, blue. Professional Blackhead Remover Tool.Our Blackhead Remover is a facial care specialist that can deeper cleansing of your skin. After testing implemented by more than 1,000 users, this blackhead vacuum can effectively remove blackheads, whiteheads, dead skin, grease and so on. Easy to get the result of blemish-free and refreshed face. Pore Vacuum with professional level treatments for anyone with aging or acne-prone skin. Suction power is vital to remove blackheads completely. Our Pore Vacuum absorption technique from level 1 to level 5 suction forces easier suck out the blackheads. Meanwhile, it has 4 suction heads for different skin conditions, cleans up blackhead, removes dirt grease, reduces dead skin and fine lines, massage and tighten the skin. High-quality blackhead vacuum made of reliable ABS material and uses an effective physical approach to solve the skin problems without any chemicals that are toxic and harmful. It is safer and more effective than traditional facial cleaning method. Remove blackheads correctly without any hickeys with Blackhead Export Liquid to make the blackheads emerge to the skin surface. Rechargeable Blackhead Comedone Extractor. No more worry about replacing batteries. Built-in rechargeable 1000 mAh lithium battery can last over 150 minutes on a single charge. Our Blackhead Comedone Extractor can shrink and repair pores. It conforms to the principles of air pump technology. Using in a correct way to remove blackheads. Say no to bruise. Blackhead Remover with daily facial treatment. Top quality Blackhead Remover Vacuum with FCC Rose certificated to ensure you feel assured during using our Pore Vacuum Extractor. Excellent top quality leaves you without worries about it.